we are starting with question number 2 today of exercise 9.3. Question number 2. Complete the table. Children, we are going to do it in copy itself, okay? Because we have to do the multiplication, okay? Because the first column is first expression, second column is second expression, third column is product. Product means multiplication. So simply we are going to do the multiplication here. So the first one, A into B plus C plus D. So the same way of multiplying. First term is multiplied. All the expressions are multiplied of a monomial to all the terms of a trinomial. Okay. In a monomial, all the terms are multiplied. A single term. A monomial has only one term. I'm so sorry. So the term of the monomial is multiplied to all the three terms of a trinomial. Okay, same rule we are going to follow. So A will be multiplied to B, then A will be multiplied to C, and A will be multiplied to D. Are we going to add any parts here? No. Why? Because the variables are not common. Even we have not written any constants. Why? Because all the constants are 1, 1, 1 and 1. Starting with the second one. Here 5xy will be multiplied to all the terms inside the bracket. So x into 5xy plus y into 5xy plus not, it is minus. So minus 5 into 5xy. Let's start now. So first we multiply the constants. What is the constant here? 5 ones are 5. Then any variable common? Yes, x is common. So the parts will be added. No, nothing is written means 1 and then y. Plus 5 ones are 5. Parts of y will be added. X will be written as it is. Nothing is written on the top of y means it's 1. Then minus 5 5s are 25 and no variable in this term, so only xy. So the answer comes out to be 5x square y plus 5xy square minus 25 xy. Okay, so this completes the second one. Now we start the third one. This p will be multiplied to all the terms. So p into 6p square minus p into 7p plus 5 or p into 5. Now 6 ones are 6. Parts of p will be added. Why? Because p is common. P variable is common. So 1 plus 2 minus 7 ones are 7. Again p is common. So parts will be added. Plus 5 into p, that is 5 ones are 5 and p. No parts of p will be added because 5 is not p is not common. No parts of p will be added because no p is common or no variable that is p is common. So we can change the statements and say it in different ways. Now 2 plus 1 3. P becomes square and this remains 5p. Okay, so this completes the third one, children. Now we are going to continue. the fourth one. Fourth one is so you can see a monomial and a binomial. So a monomial, the term of a monomial, that is only one term, will be multiplied to the first and the second term of the binomial. That means 4p square q square will be multiplied to p square and then to q square. Let's start. So 4p square q square into p square bracket minus 4p square q square into q square. 4 ones are 4. Then the powers of p will be added. Why? Because p is common. Then q square. The powers of q will not be added. Why? Because q is not common. Going to the next bracket, minus 4 ones are 4. Powers of p will not be added. Why? Because p is not common. Powers of q will be added. Why? Because part of q is common. So 2 plus 2. Easy, no? Very easy. 4 p to the power 4 p raised to 4 4p raised to 4 or 4p to the power 4 q square minus 4p square q raised to 4 or q to the power 4. Okay, this completes the fourth one, children. Now we are going to start the fifth one. What is the question? A plus B plus C into ABC. Again, monomial. So the term of the monomial, that is a single term, will be multiplied to all the terms of the trinomial. Okay. So this ABC will be multiplied to A. ABC will be multiplied to B. ABC will be multiplied to C. ABC will be multiplied to C. So A into ABC plus B into ABC plus C into ABC. Now here A is common, so powers of A will be added. BC remains same. B is common, so powers of B will be added. A and C remains same. C is common, so powers of C will be added. A and B will remain same. Hence, this gives A square BC plus AB square C plus ABC square. This completes the fifth one and also completes question number 2, children. Third one we are going to start tomorrow.